In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect eBay store to AutoDS. To start with AutoDS, and if you are interested, you can check the link in the description. Firstly, to access the store setup, go to the left sidebar menu on your AutoDS dashboard. Then click on Add Store. Click again on the Add Store button on the screen that appears. From the list of the sell-in channels, select eBay. Choose your target marketplace like eBay US, eBay UK, or eBay Australia, etc. You'll be redirected to eBay. Log in with your eBay seller account you want to connect. After logging in, eBay will show a permissions page. Click Agree to authorize AutoDS to access your account via eBay's API. You'll receive a confirmation message once your store has been successfully added. Now you can upload your first hot selling item to your store using AutoDS tools.